are pleased to show you the 2015 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel drive, universal garage door opener. Your new ride is just a phone call away.